Hey everyone, Scott Holmes again here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, your upstate Bennington dealer. Today I'm standing on a 2023 Bennington 23 LXSR. This boat has the captain and co-captain seat with the quad bench seating arrangement. It's going to be powered with a Mercury 200 horsepower on our SBS Performance Tri-Tune package. Now if you want to stand out on the water and have a color that I don't know if anybody else has, then check out this platinum with blackout package and metallic white accent stripe. Absolutely stunning. He's gonna give you a little better view of the outside and hand the phone up to me so I can show you how we paired the interior color to the outside. Look at this platinum interior with the metallic white pillow top, diamond pressed upholstery, and the metallic white inlays and embroidery package. This boat does have the removable bow gate seat, but it's great because you can put this either in the bow or back there in the back and have a full wraparound seating. This table is removable. We do have it out right now just for display purposes. And I really like how they do the 20% cutout down here for the cup holders and speakers. It's a great little cubby for your drinks, sunscreen, cell phones, and whatnot. They did a really great job of that. Excuse me while I climb in. And you know what they also did is they put in USB and USB-C chargers in there. Here's the co-captain seat that I was telling you about. Your boating mate will love sitting there. Full wraparound seating. This boat does have the removable cup holders as well, so you can place those throughout the boat. Take a look at this console. Gorgeous. 7-inch Simrad flush mounted into the dash. Show you GPS, chart plotter, and has all your engine data and gauges built into the screen. Bluetooth stereo with the Rockford Fosgate PMX2. This boat does have the elevated helm for the captain there. Of course, with all our Benningtons, it's going to come with a full cover and a 10-foot bimini top. Like I was saying before, you can actually put that bow filler seat that's currently up there here in the back if you want as well. Check out the extended aft deck. Lots of room to jump in the water and swim. Curve boarding ladder. And we do have the motor for this. It's a 200 horsepower engine. It's going to have a ski tow bar on it as well. Motor is here in stock, so we can get you on the water immediately on this boat. Check out all the inventory we have. A couple of the other sales guys getting them ready. Looking forward to seeing you. Come see us at MarineMax in Greenville, 864-236-9005.